Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about scientific attitude. If the attitude of a reader changes due to the study of science, then the development of that attitude is known as scientific attitude. Characteristics of scientific attitude are joy, humility, skepticism, positive approach to failure, curiosity, non-belief in superpositions, accuracy in measurement, open-mindedness, belief in proof, patience, objectivity, interest in reading, faithful in observation, ability to identify variables, independent thinking. Whereas a scientific attitude is a type of mindset or a way of life. Here, scientific attitude can be developed through direct teaching. Discussions, wide reading of books on science fiction, science inventions and discoveries, biographies of scientists in addition to textbooks, and reference books, providing hands-on experience through practical work, organizing of core curricular activities such as science fairs, exhibitions, clubs, debates, excursions and projects, and providing personal examples of the teachers. Scope of science. Science deals with the natural world, the realm of nature and of matter and energy. Science includes physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, geology, astronomy, etc., which do not deal with man and his operations. Science admits parts and not all of psychology, anthropology, sociology, economics, and even history. Some branches of physics are solid state physics, electronics, dynamics, thermodynamics, modern physics, optics, sound, light, heat, magnetism, liquid state physics, etc. Whereas some branches of chemistry are organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, metallurgy, physical chemistry, engineering chemistry, environmental chemistry, etc. Importance of science. Science helps us to understand the nature and life around us and lead a comfortable and pleasant life. Advancement of science, technology and use of these scientific achievements promotes well-being of mankind through their application in the field of industry, communication, transport, engineering, agriculture, medicine, information technology, space, environment, etc. Science is neither concerned with caste, creed, or color, nor recognizes territorial barriers. The fruits of scientific discoveries and innovations of one country are enjoyed by the people all over the world. Science has become a base for many subjects and a tool for the development of many subjects. Science process skills. According to Gagné, what is taught to children should resemble what scientists do, the process that they carry out in their own scientific activities. Process are ways of processing information. Content is a tool to develop certain skills among the children. The teaching learning program at school level should emphasize on the acquisition of science process skill through science teaching. The learner generates the learning outcomes through the use of scientific process skills. Process skills are observation, measurement, experiment, classification, hypothesizing, prediction, inference, interpretation of data, developing models, time and space relationship, and communication. According to Harlan 1998, process skills are observing, hypothesis, predicting, raising questions, investigating, interpreting, communicating, respect for evidence, flexibility, and critical reflection. To develop science process skills in the students, the following factors should be kept in mind. First one is identify the content areas where a process skills can be exhibited. Second one, prepare activities and materials to perform the skills. Third one, the activities may be both independent or integrated the content. Fourth one, material should be suitable and readily available. Fifth one, situations and contents should be identified and clearly stated. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.